It seems absolutely bonkers to me that a website wouldn't work on mobile right now, but it's still happening. Let's clear the chaos of client attraction. This is video 90 as I count down 100 marketing ideas that you can start using to grow your business. And wow, that was easy to say. Today we are talking about making your website mobile friendly, but I'm not just talking about your website. I'm talking about every aspect of your website should be mobile friendly. This means it needs to load fast. It needs to look really good on a mobile device. The buttons, the text, everything needs to be appropriately sized. If something's too small and somebody can't click on it, it's not going to work very well for you. So if you're doing a self-managed website or you're a web developer, should be spending a tremendous amount of time testing your website on every single kind of mobile device, from Apple to Android to Microsoft. Let's make sure that every element in your website is working very well on a mobile device. And gone are the days where you should have a mobile-only site and you're trying to manage two different sites. Technology has advanced to a point where you can, with one site, have it adapt and have it be responsive to computer screens, to tablet screens, and to phone screens. So let's go ahead and make sure the website is mobile optimized so that you're not losing any of that mobile traffic. And speaking of mobile traffic, here's a bonus tip for you. Go into your Google Analytics and take a look at how many visits you get per month from mobile devices and track that over time. That is going to highlight for you the importance of making sure your website is mobile optimized. Here's the next video in this series, and the entire series can be found up here. If you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I drop a new video about growing your business.